Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Pavitra Shetty. If in case you're watching me for the first time, please make sure you hit on that subscribe button and join my family. So without further ado, we'll be going straight into the video. So let's get started. Okay, so I was fixing my hair at the start of the intro, so please excuse me for this. So let's just get started with this video. From the title you would have come to know this is basically a skincare routine in the lockdown. We girls love to do that, so I just thought why not to get into this, but getting the ingredients all from your kitchen. So let's get started. So the first step is obviously the face wash. Now basically we get it from the market or we have it in stock, but at present there may be girls who don't have such products in their house or it's missing or it's expensive. So I've got something really interesting from you straight from the kitchen. So watch till this video ends, you're gonna love this. So number one is the face wash I'm talking about. So basically you need nothing else but then a gram flour, or which is also known as besan. This is what the picture look like. You don't have to do anything. You have to just use this 1 spoon of besan with water and just rub it onto your face just like the way you wash your face. Okay, and then just rinse it out with the water. So that's how it works. That's the first thing that you can do it in face wash. Number two is okay, so second thing is exfoliations, what I call about scrubbing your face or a body. So I have come upon with this really good and well-to-known coffee scrub that you can use it onto your face as well as onto your body. So for this you require only 3 ingredients. Number one is coffee, of course. That is 1 spoon of coffee, 1 spoon of sugar and 1 spoon of coconut oil. Mix this all together and form a base, and apply this base as a scrubber onto your face. I'll be just putting a picture if in case you're not getting it. So you have to scrub your face, and this scrub you can also use it while you're taking bath. It's really good form of exfoliations. Number 3, coming back to a face pack, nothing less. You can also see in the description box I've also done a kind of a skin routine where I have been talking about this thing like hell. I use a multani mitti as a face pack. You can use multani mitti with a kind of rose water, any rose water. There is no such brand. Mix this 2-pack, mix this thing multani mitti along with the rose water, form a base and apply it onto your face. Keep it till it gets dry, or you can also keep it at around 15 minutes and then just rinse it off with the water. Now basically as it's lockdown going on, there can be chance like you people would not be having multani mitti, so you can use any kind of fruit. Like fruit is one of the best thing that is good for your health as well as to your face. So most people don't use this kind of a fruit face mask, but you can use it. If you have banana in your house, just mash that banana with a 1 spoon of water and apply it onto your face and keep it for extended time of around 15 minutes and just rinse it off. If you don't have banana, you can replace it with any fruit that you have. My sister used to do it for me, a kind of a pack. I still remember she used to put apple, bananas or oranges and mix these 3 fruits together, form a kind of a face pack and apply it onto my face, and it is really good. It smells good and it's really amazing face pack. So this is my short and a mini skincare routine for this lockdown. I hope you guys this was my mini video. I hope you guys like it, and if you did, please do not forget to give me a big like, share and subscribe to this channel, and please stay safe and healthy. Bye.